Welcome to Wanderworld Travel Explorations. Join us as we uncover the world's hidden gems, one adventure at a time. Hey there everyone, guess what? Today is a super special day because we're about to embark on a magical journey. Yes, you heard it right, a journey. But not just any journey. We're going to explore some tiny but oh so memorable towns scattered around our big beautiful world. Imagine places so unique, with streets not for cars, but for boats to glide on water. Picture homes that look like they've jumped straight out of your favorite storybooks, with roofs that touch the sky and walls filled with the brightest colors you've ever seen. Think of walking down lanes that are a rainbow under your feet, where every corner and every turn brings a new surprise. These aren't just any towns, they're little slices of wonder, tucked away from the big, noisy cities we know. Places where every day is an adventure, where the air feels fresher and the sky looks bluer. Have you ever wondered what it's like to live in a house surrounded by water, where ducks are your neighbors and you say hello by waving from a boat? Or what about a town where everything is painted in your favorite color? Yes, places like this really do exist. So grab your imaginations, tie your shoelaces, and let's set off together. We're going to see, learn, and maybe even dream a little about these unforgettable small towns. Who's ready to discover some of the world's hidden treasures with me? Let's go on this adventure and make some memories that we'll keep in our hearts forever. Are you with me? All right, let's start our journey. Town 1. Giethoorn, Netherlands. Welcome to the enchanting Giethoorn, nestled in the Netherlands, where waterways replace streets. Imagine a place so serene that cars and buses are swapped for quiet, gliding boats. Here, journeys to school or a friend's house are peaceful boat rides, making every outing an adventure. Giethoorn is not your ordinary town. It's a scene straight from a fairy tale with homes that whisper tales of yore, adorned with lush greenery and vibrant flowers, painting life in the hues of a rainbow. In this magical town, boats aren't just a mode of transport. They're vessels of joy, carrying laughter and stories across the crystal-clear canals. The connection between the residents and nature is profound, living in storybook houses surrounded by the most vivid gardens you've ever seen. Mornings in Giethoorn are like the first brushstrokes on a canvas, with the sun's rays making the water sparkle, turning the town into a glistening jewel. Stroll across quaint bridges, feed the cheerful ducks, and let the floral fragrances uplift your spirit. Giethoorn offers a tranquil retreat from the hustle and bustle, a place where secrets are shared with the breeze and nature is a constant companion. It's a water wonderland, bringing to life a world of gentle magic and serene beauty. Giethoorn isn't just a town, it's a dream set afloat on water, making it the perfect start to our journey of unforgettable towns. Town 2, Shirakawago, Japan. Now, let's jet off to a magical corner of Japan named Shirakawago. Imagine a village snuggled in the mountains where homes are shaped like giant triangles, known as gashozukuri, resembling hands joined in prayer. These unique designs keep the home snug in winter and cool in summer, a clever technique from yesteryears. Come winter, Shirakawago transforms into a snowy wonderland straight out of a storybook, with snowflakes dressing the landscape in a blanket of white. It's breathtakingly peaceful, like wandering into a dream. What's fascinating about these triangle homes is they're built without a single nail. It's all about interlocking wood in a way handed down through generations, creating sturdy shelters against heavy snow and cozy retreats for family warmth and storytelling. Strolling through Shirakawago in winter is like stepping into a fairy tale. The crunch of snow underfoot, the mist of your breath in the cold air, and the welcoming glow of lights from windows all invite you into a world where simplicity and beauty reign. Shirakawago isn't just a place, it's a winter fable alive, offering a serene haven from the hustle of life. It stands as a testament to the beauty of life's simplicity, hidden in Japan's mountains, whispering tales of warmth and community in the silence of snow. Town 3, Hallat, Austria. Dive into the fairy tale charm of Hallat, Austria, a village cradled by mountains and a shimmering lake. This magical spot, straight out of a storybook, is adorned with ancient, story-filled houses and breathtaking sceneries. Hallat is a living tale of harmony with nature, celebrated for its deep-rooted salt mines that have seasoned life here for centuries. This salt, essential for delicious meals, ties the community to the rich tapestry of the earth beneath. Imagine the serene lake reflecting the sky, encircled by homes echoing with generations of laughter and love. In air so crisp, it rejuvenates your soul. Strolling through Hallat is a journey through time, where history whispers in the wind, from the soft touch of the lake on boats to the distant church bells chime. In Hallat, life's pace invites you to savor the moment, amidst landscapes that blend history, culture, and nature's artistry. Here, the simple treasure of salt crafts a story of survival and beauty, making every nook a narrative waiting to be discovered. Hallat is not just a place. It's a dream woven between the mountains and the lake, a testament to the enduring allure of simplicity and beauty. Welcome to this enchanting village, where every step tells a story, and the essence of life is celebrated in its purest form. Town 4, Chefchaouen Morocco. Welcome to Chefchaouen in Morocco, a town where everything is painted in stunning shades of blue. Walking through its streets feels like stepping into a dream, with every turn revealing a new splash of blue. This color isn't just for beauty, it keeps the town cool and brings a sense of peace. Imagine being surrounded by a sky-like calm, with every step feeling like walking on clouds. The blue of Chefchaouen isn't just any blue, it ranges from the lightest sky hues to the deepest ocean blues. It's believed this blue has a cooling effect during hot days and adds to the town's dreamy vibe. More than just a color, it creates a tranquil atmosphere, encouraging relaxation and a break from the hustle of life. As you explore, you'll notice cats basking in the sun, beautifully patterned doors, and green plants contrasting with the blue walls, adding life to the serene palette. The friendly people here make you feel instantly at home, adding warmth to the visually cool surroundings. Chefchaouen is more than a place. It's a state of calm, where the simplicity and beauty of blue turn the town into a living artwork. It invites us to appreciate the tranquil moments and the artistry in our surroundings. This blue city whispers tales of serenity, beckoning us to explore and find peace in its hues. Chefchaouen shows us how life painted in blue can be a canvas of calm and beauty. Town 5, Bibury, England. And now, let's gently wander into Bibury, a little town in the heart of England. Bibury is like a picture from an old beautiful book, where time stands still and every house tells a story. These homes, with their stone walls and cozy roofs, have watched over the town for hundreds of years. Right through Bibury flows a peaceful river, clear and gentle, where ducks play and chat with a friendly quack as you pass by. It's as if they're inviting you to stop and enjoy the simple joys of nature. The grass here? Oh, it's the greenest of greens, sprawling wide across the countryside, making you want to twirl, jump, and lay down all day under the open sky. Imagine walking down a lane in Bibury with the air so fresh and every breath filling you with peace. The beauty of this place is in its simplicity, the ancient houses, the singing river, and the lush green fields. It's a slice of heaven where nature and history hug each other tightly. Bibury is not just a town. It's a reminder of the beauty that lives in quiet moments and simple things. It's a place where you can walk, play, or just be, surrounded by the kind of beauty that whispers softly to your heart, inviting you to relax and smile, just like the ducks on the river. Today, we've journeyed through 5 incredible towns, each brimming with its own unique enchantment. We've seen places where boats glide silently in place of cars, and entire towns bathed in shades of serene blue. Our adventure is a reminder of the vast, beautiful world waiting for us to explore. I hope this journey has sparked a flame of curiosity and wonder in your heart. Let's keep the spirit of adventure alive, seeking out the stories and magic hidden in the nooks and crannies of our amazing planet. Until our next adventure, keep dreaming, keep exploring, and never stop discovering the wonders that lie just around the corner. See you soon on our next journey together.